In this video, I'll show you how to sign up or create an Apollo account. So the first step would be to head over to the Apollo IO website, and the link is in the description of this video. And if you are not a business, what you have to do is use sign up with either Google or with Microsoft. Not optional, of course, unless you're a business. So for me, I'm going to go with sign up with Google. And then you just want to pick your Google account, and then you'll need to hit continue to confirm that you're linking it. And from here, you'll be redirected. And now you just need to answer some questions. So which one best describes you here? You can tick other and write your own description. Over here, you need to pick one of these options. So for me, I'll just pick I'm just exploring, since this is just for you. And then they want to know, what is your level of experience with sales tech? I'm going to go with medium and hit continue. And an optional step, you can invite other teammates. So I'll just hit skip. Now you can go through some tutorial steps, or if you want to connect this to something like LinkedIn, you can download the Chrome extension. And when you're ready, just hit continue. And there you go. You've done it. You have created an Apollo IO account. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.